Introducing Parabit's Boon Edam Turnstile Reader Camera Mounts. Boon Edam's turnstile reader camera mounts are engineered for versatility, securely accommodating a wide range of proximity card readers, including HID, R10, and HID Signo 20 and 40. Parabit's proximity reader/camera mounts provide a seamless integration of a prox reader with an optional camera within Boon Edam's turnstile supporting access control, discrete surveillance, and biometric access, enhancing security and operational efficiency with multi-factor authentication. Boon Edam's turnstile proximity reader camera mounts are easy to install, built to last, available in stock and custom powder-coated colors. Elevate your Boon Edam turnstile access control with Parabit's proximity reader camera mounts.